Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix no GPS signal lost on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, tap on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display battery and power saving. Click on power saving. Scroll down to, and you will see battery optimization is here. If you want to fix this problem, so disable battery optimization. After disable battery optimization, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset factory data. Click on erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix no GPS signal lost on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.